What's up guys, I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never and welcome back to another update on Oscar. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as usual, I'm going to start off with a little bit of technical analysis. So this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and what I've been talking about in my last several videos looks like it might be starting to play out. So what I'm personally looking for is to see if Bitcoin can actually fill out an inverted head and shoulder pattern. We already have the left shoulder, we have the head, and it looks like we might be forming the right shoulder. Inverted head and shoulder patterns are usually extremely bullish. So the main thing that I'm looking for currently is to see if price action can get back above the 200-day moving average, which is this golden line right here. If we can get back above the 200-day, then I will be bullish on Bitcoin. And I will especially be bullish on Bitcoin if we can get back above these previous wicks. If we can put in a higher local high, then that'll be a great look for Bitcoin. So we would need to see Bitcoin get around that 88.8K range. But regardless, Bitcoin looks better now than it did previously. What you guys have to understand though is that there's going to be a lot of tariff news later today. So understand that the market could be extremely volatile. The technical analysis could look completely different by the time you guys are watching this. All of that being said, regardless of what happens in the short term, I'm still bullish on the larger time frames. For example, if you look at the weekly time frame, we are extremely oversold on the stochastics. And the other thing that I like to see is that we did have a wick that came close to retesting the previous highs. Now, from a technical analysis standpoint, it would make sense to actually retest the highs. However, in Bitcoin's case, we have seen significant levels get front ran many different times. So there's a chance that this was the bottom right here. Now, am I saying that it's guaranteed? No, I'm not. But if we do see the inverted head and shoulder play out, then it could be the bottom. Now, I also point out Ethereum all the time, and I point out the weekly time frame. And I talk about how we are extremely oversold and we have broken out 9 out of 9 times since September of 2020 with oversold stochastics. Not to mention the RSI hasn't been this low since June of 2022. But instead of showing you guys the weekly time frame, I just want to make sure you guys understand the monthly time frame. And you can see right now that price action is swinging up into a higher low and the RSI is swinging down into a lower low. That is class A bullish divergence. We have only seen that one other time throughout Ethereum's history, right here, and look at what happened. We had a very nice explosion afterwards. So as bearish as you may feel about Ethereum right now, understand that this could turn around at any moment. But fortunately for us, because of how much Ethereum has dropped, it has opened up a lot of amazing discounts in the crypto market. Now the project I'm covering today is Oscar, and whether or not you guys believe in this project in particular or not, it doesn't matter. There are many amazing discounts out there right now. But I personally really like this project. Anyways though, Oscar is currently trading at a $1.5 million market cap. From the lows, you can see that Oscar had bounced up about 83%. But regardless, I think this is just the beginning for Oscar. If you look at Oscar's X account, they have recently just came out with Collar. And what's happening with Collar right now is incredible. There is so much support around it. Now, I'm not going to go super in depth into what Collar actually is, but essentially it's causing a lot of people to stake their Oscar. And you can see that if you look at Etherscan. So Oscar right now already has 10.5% of the supply burned. This is supply that will never be accessed again. But now there is 18.6% of Oscar already being staked. That's 18.6% of the supply that's not going to be dumped on you right now. So at the moment, the supply is very deflationary. But regardless of the supply, even if this wasn't happening right now, I'm still very bullish on this project in general. I've talked about it in pretty much every single Oscar video I've made, but this project is very well connected to Shiba Inu. There are a lot of community members in Oscar that were there on day one for Shiba Inu. For example, Paradox Designer, who designed the logo of Oscar, also designed the logo of Shiba Inu. And Oscar is also followed by Shytoshi, who is the lead dev of Shiba Inu. So if any team out there knows how to turn a microcap into a successful project, it's the Oscar team. Now, I'm not going to act like Shiba Inu wasn't a perfect storm. It absolutely was. And I'm not sitting here telling you that I think Oscar is going to run into the multi-billions. But do I think that this project is extremely undervalued right now at a $1.5 million market cap? Absolutely. We see a lot of microcaps out there that are not accomplishing anything and they are significantly larger. This is definitely one of my favorite bets in the dog narrative. And if you look at Oscar on CoinMarketCap, their volume actually isn't that bad either. The volume's 368K. And I know that might not sound amazing right now, but a lot of crypto volume is down significantly. But Oscar is still 27% of the market cap. That shows that there is interest in this project. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update on Oscar today. I am still very bullish on this project. However, I want you guys to understand, I am not expecting an Oscar breakout until we see Ethereum break out. Right now, when you look at Ethereum on the monthly, when you look at it on the weekly, it looks like a falling knife. We need to see a reversal before a lot of these meme coins pump. That's just the reality of the situation. All of that being said though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early like Oscar, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. We're here for the market pumps, the market dumps, we're here for everything. And we've been making huge gains this entire bull run. My Discord's around 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment could return into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of community that resonates with you, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I really would love to see you guys in here. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys are bullish on Oscar long term. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.